What do you believe should be the priorities for political and legal fraternities as we seek to deal with some of South Africa's most pressing challenges, from access to justice, education and healthcare, to dealing with unemployment, inequality and poverty?
I am going to quote what is considered the greatest democrat in history, Pericles, in the 5th century BC, speaking about Athenian democracy, said, "We are lovers of beauty without extravagance and lovers of doing wisdom without being effeminate." It was okay for his time, and maybe some women may take exception to that. We expect our citizens to take part in the affairs of the state. We say unto those who say that the business of the state, well, it was the city, is not their business. They have no business to be here. Let us participate. And civil society is participating. There are dozens of NGOs who are working hard to bring justice to all. What I have not seen given publicity of the necessary importance of the 240 justice centers that have been established by the government. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Well, I think that if I ask 10 people in South Africa on the street, all 10 will say what you say, that I didn't know this. What do? They make sure that if there is a serious criminal charge against you, that a lawyer is appointed from one of these centers. If you have a civil claim, they start developing that. They will take it for you. There are NGOs, not only the Legal Resources Center, but Lawyers for Human Rights, CALS, all sorts of organizations throughout the country. Even the attorneys and counsel of the rich have been professionally committed to, in appropriate cases, acting for poor people for nothing. It's not enough. A lot of people complain that I can't afford a lawyer and I can't exercise my rights. And they are right. But there are countries where people are worse off. We are at least trying. I appeal to my colleagues, the legal profession, whether there are attorneys or advocates, and that they should do better. I appeal to magistrates, for whom most cases come, not in the High Court or the Constitutional Court, to do justice, to be patient, to be humane. And we should all strive for the democratic, egalitarian state that we foresaw in drafting the Constitution comes into being. Don't ask me how many years it might take. I can't say. But what we have to make sure that every day, in every way, we try to be better and better.
And do you think that we are on the right track in getting there? I mean,
Partly.
eventually.
Partly we have corruption, which is endemic. the temptation to dip into the till is very great. The deterrent is an efficient police force, an impartial police force, an impartial prosecuting authority, a competent prosecuting authority, an independent judiciary, and I hear that there are almost 200,000 known criminals who have not been dealt with the day or two ago in the news. Why? After 17 years of democratic rule, is this so? Constitution says everyone is entitled to security. What have we done in order to ensure that that is there for everyone, men, women, particularly children? But it's an imperfect world that we are living in.
Just have to make the best of it. Thank you, Mr. Bizos. It's been an absolute honor.
Thank you very much.